Hey, what's up, everyone? Today I will teach you about present continuous tense, okay? But not in English version. Don't think that I will teach you English because this is Learn Korean with EKKA. So, yeah, we will learn Korean present continuous tense. Okay, so let's get started right now. Okay, present continuous tense, subject, past verb, past go 있어요. Okay, let's see example. Masita, to drink. Okay, to drink. Remove ta, and then remove ta, right? And then go 있어요. It means drinking. So become 마시고 있어요. Okay, 마시고 있어요. I am drinking. What are you drinking? You just put in front of 마시고 있어요. 마시고 있어요. Okay, you see this, right? What you put nouns, water, milk, beer, whatever you want. Okay, so 우유 마시고 있어요. 우유 마시고 있어요. I am drinking milk. Okay, drink milk good for health. Okay, so I need protein, so that I drink milk. 우유 마시고 있어요. I am drinking some milk, something like that. Okay. Okay, see next example. 만나다. 만나다 is mean to meet. Okay, you need remove ta and add go 있어요. Okay, then I want. Okay, 만나고 있어요. I am meeting. Okay, 친구 만나고 있어요. I am meeting friends. Okay, 저는 친구 만나고 있어요. I am meeting a friend. Okay. You see, subject 저는 I 친구 friends is object. 만나고 있어요. Meeting. I am meeting a friend. Okay. The next example. 먹다. 먹다. To eat. Okay. Remove 다. And then add 고 있어요. I am eating. 저는 I am. 저는 I am. 밥 먹고 있어요. I am eating rice. Okay. 밥 is mean like it's like kimbap. Some okay, kimbap. But this pub the same. Okay. One more example. 가다. To go. Remove 다. Okay. And then add go 있어요. what? 가고 있어요. I am going. Where? Where I'm going? 대학교에 가고 있어요. See? 대학교 is university. 가고 있어요. Going to university. I am going to university. Okay. Okay. One more example. 자다 is to sleep. Remove 다. Add 고 있어요. I am sleeping. Okay. So here is the nice times. So I am sleeping and sleepy. So I hope the lesson today useful for you and easy for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget put thumbs up and share to your friends to learn this lesson. I think this lesson really useful. So see you again next lesson. Bye bye. 3 2 1 present continuous tense subject past verb past go 있어요. Hey, what's up everyone? Today I will teach you